Raffy Drawings.
Hi kids, and welcome to the Raffy Drawing channel! Today, we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig and her family in the car.
Wow!
Before we start, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's start drawing! To start, I'm going to draw the shape of the car. I draw the details of the car. And the lights. Then I draw the wheels. At first, I'm going to draw the piggies. First, I draw Peppa Pig. I start with her nose. I draw the shape of her head, her 2 ears, her eyes. I draw her cheek and her smiling mouth. Now I draw her body. Everyone is wearing seatbelts. It's very important. Now let's draw George Pig next to her. I draw his nose, the shape of the head, his eyes, his ears. I draw the circle of his cheek and his mouth. Now I draw his body. It's time to draw Mommy Pig! I start with her nose. I draw the shape of her head, her 2 ears, her eyes with eyelashes, her mouth, and a circle for her cheek. I continue with her body. Next to her, let's draw Daddy Pig. I start with his nose. I continue with the shape of this head. His ears. I draw his eyes and glasses. I draw the circle of his cheek and his mouth. He has a beard, so let's add some lines like this. Finally, I draw his body. Amazing! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I color the car red. Then I use gray for the wheels and black. I color the lamps yellow. Let's color Peppa Pig. I color her skin pink. Then I use light pink for her cheek. Finally, I use orange for her dress. Now we are going to color George pink. I use pink for his skin and light pink for his cheek. I color his outfit with this light blue marker. Now we color Mommy Pig. I color her skin with this pink marker. I color her cheek light pink. Then I use orange for her dress. And finally, we are going to color Daddy Pig. I color his skin pink too. Then I use light pink for his cheek. Now I color his outfit with this light blue marker. Fantastic! Raffy the dinosaur needs you. Like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video!